Hey guys, Techniac here, and today we are going to install the Miui 8 ROM on Zuk Z1. I'll leave a link to that ROM in the description down below. And so first of all we need to go to TWRP recovery, and in TWRP recovery we need to flash the ROM. I'll speed up the process. You can just wait and till the ROM flashes. And first of all, I need to tell you guys that I got good reviews about this ROM, that this ROM is really stable. We'll check it. Do not need to flash the G apps. Because it won't work if you flash G apps straight away. So I'll help you with that as well, to how to flash the G apps on this ROM. So just wait till it boots up. Don't worry, the first boot might take a bit of time because it's a heavy ROM, and it's the first boot, so it might take a bit of time. So don't worry about that. Just wait, be patient, and it will boot up. So as you can see, here's the Miui ROM. We need to click start, click on English. I'll skip up other processes for right now. And the biggest thing about this ROM is you have got the U-Touch. You can swipe between apps by swiping on the fingerprint scanner. It'll switch between apps. This is a great feature. So here's the ROM, and escape. So first we need to select the theme, which theme we need to start with. I'll select this one. Setup complete. Here we go. Taking a bit of time because it's the first boot. So here's the ROM. It looks pretty nice in the beginning, and yeah, it works fine. Some of the information, tools for MI. Right now it feels really snappy, as I can see right now. And you can select, go to as you can see, this ROM is really snappy and I didn't encounter any bugs. And to install the Google Play Store, this is the app. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Just click on Google Play Store, install, and it will download the Google Play Store. There are no such lags in this ROM. This is really snappy. And here's the U-Touch. As you can see, just swiping on the home button, it switches the apps. No such lag right now. It is really snappy and no bug. Here's the camera app. As you can see, the camera app works perfectly. Let me just click a picture. Boom, it just clicks. No lag. And here's the video. The video also records perfectly. So this is a good ROM. You can install it. I'll leave a link to it in the description, as well as the G Apps app. Till then, it's Techniac signing off.